California. Head over to Elite Motorsports, go pick up the Ford. Alright, I really wanted to head down here today and do some filming on the rest of the stuff. All the suspension in the back, the steering stabilizers up front. But he called and said, let's just film it when it's finished. So I said, okay, that sounds like a good idea. I'm ready for it to be done anyways. So we're gonna pull up, we're gonna have a little reveal when it pulls out, and then we'll do a little walk around. And then we'll take it for a drive and see how it rides. So let's go. Thanks KK for the ride, man. Yeah. I see it already. It don't even look like the same truck anymore. All right, I just went in there and finally paid everything off. We're all done, we're all set. Elite Motorsports, they kicked the ass. They got this shit done so fast. And not only that, but he changed the oil for me. He called me up and said, do you want your oil changed? I'm like, okay. And he took care of that on the house. So you can't beat that. They also washed it. They detailed it before I got here. Elite Motorsports for the win. So stoked. Now it's time to take it for a little ride. And as soon as we get it back home, I'll do a little walk around, show you guys what everything is, and then we'll just call this project done. Let's get out of here. All right, here we go. Maiden Voyage. This thing feels high to me. Oh, we can just drive right over this dirt. It feels real good. Feels high in the air, I like it. But we're really gonna be able to tell when we hit the highway. So that's coming up here real soon. Figures would be behind a damn stupid. Definitely different. Feels good though. Tires aren't loud at all. I wonder if you could hear those on camera, but totally not a problem. It's not pulling or anything, feels smooth. We're doing 70. Truck's not shaking, nothing's moving around. Feels good. I like it. Definitely gonna take some getting used to. Not used to being this high up. same with the new. Yeah. All right, we got the Dirt Logic 2.25 in the back with the reservoirs. You see them right there. We got the new leaf springs. Supposed to ride better. We got the Celastic shackles right there. Might be hard to see on camera. Right there, somewhere in there. Some might stick like a GoPro or something in here and show you guys what it looks like when that's actually moving. All right, so the first thing I noticed when we were driving on the highway, it feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's pulling or anything. It feels nice and smooth. It does feel different though, but not in a bad way. Of course it's gonna feel different. We're on 37-inch tires now.